Hey everyone, it's Michael Valtos from Orderflows.com, and I'm going to give you a preview of my webinar tomorrow that I'm doing with Investor Inspiration. I'll be speaking at 12:15 Eastern Time, and I'll be talking about how to get an edge in the market with order flow analysis. Now, I'm an order flows guy, and what you see on the chart here is a bar chart, actually, and this is the NASDAQ this morning. It was not very clear in here that if you should be selling at this swing high or not. Let me just get the actual chart up here and just sort of break it down for you. Again, I'll be talking about this this particular move tomorrow. This is a move today. This is Thursday morning. This is NASDAQ. This is an 8 range chart, and you can see. Okay, so let me just. Whoops, that's not the move. Where was it here? 854. This one here. Okay, sorry. And candlestick people say, oh, you got this particular type of candlestick, a dark cloud cover where it starts coming back in here like this. Okay, well, you have that here. You have it here. This market didn't sell off. You have it here. The market didn't sell off. Other traditional technical analysts will say, oh, you got a head and shoulders right here. There's your head, here's your shoulder, your neckline here. Well, that's all well and good, but you're getting short, way down here. How would you like getting short right up here? And with order flow, it's very clear. Even if you're trading the head and shoulders, you're getting short here, and then it starts rallying back up here. You don't know if it's going to go higher or not. But again, that's where order flow comes in. You're going to be getting a better trade entry than if you're using traditional technical analysis. Again, here's your head, here's your left shoulder, here's your right shoulder, here's your neckline. You break your neckline, you get a little bit of a move down, but then you start coming back up before you get the big move down. Where would you rather be short? Somewhere in here or somewhere up here around the 56.06 level rather than the 55.98 area? What would you rather risk on the trade? This little bar right here, this little move, or as opposed to trading a head and shoulders formation? Where's your risk? Your risk is way up here. You're risking a lot more with traditional technical analysis than you are with order flow. So I'm going to talk about that trade setup, how you could have picked it up with the order flow. It's not like order flow is going to give you every single high and low, but there's going to be times where things just really stand out in the order flow that you'll kick yourself if you didn't take that trade. So again, register for my webinar tomorrow. Go to orderflows.com/register.html. It'll take you to a sign up page. That's me here. I'll be talking about a bunch of stuff. Why traders fail and how order flow will save you. How to profit from clear order flow developments in the market as they occur, and a simple order flow trade setup that finds market turning points with very low risk. And that is this particular example. This is, I was just going through my slide deck for the presentation tomorrow, and this trade setup happened today, and it happens every day, and it happens several times in certain markets like NASDAQ. This is a particular trade setup in the NASDAQ that I really look for in the NASDAQ, and there's a few markets that trade like NASDAQ, DAX as well. But it also appeared in the S&Ps this morning, also appeared in the bonds this morning. So it's a great trade setup. So it's worth going on to the webinar just to hear me talk about it. So again, just register for my webinar. It's orderflows.com/register. Just go to the link. It's in the description. It's free. If you can't attend, that's fine. Just register. Then you'll get access to the replay, so you could watch it, over the weekend when you're free. And if you don't learn something from me, hopefully you can learn something from some of the other presenters. There's a total of 7 of us. So sign up, and I look forward to seeing you on the presentation tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.